Ductwork is a great big puzzle. To us, it's like art. We look at it as an art piece. You get great satisfaction at the end of the day when you look up on your paper and look up and it's just how you drew it. Right out of high school, I got a sheet metal job. I contacted Southern Air and I had a job the very next week, and I've been here for 15 years. Sheet metal was just always something that I always had fun doing it, picked it right up. I had great mentors. Ductwork and sheet metal, there's a lot of math involved. A lot of times when you're looking at plan view, you're not seeing obstacles in your way. And when I do come across that, I like to take some real life measurements and put it on paper for myself. If you can sit down in the field and make it work on paper out here, it's definitely gonna go in. It's not your ordinary. It's not your, here's your mechanical print. It's something I've taken the time to do and I know it's gonna work. The guys that I've had come through this project, they've all done a really good job. Without your men, your helpers and your mechanics and your lead mechanics, nothing else is possible. It's a team effort. Any young person looking to come into a trade, don't look at it as a job, it's a career. Sheet metal is a great career.